If I was a college student, I would stop doing what everyone else does. Because most students today are just existing, attending classes, scrolling Instagram, and complaining about their college life. But very few use their times to build something. It may be their skill, it may be a brand, maybe their future. So in this video, I will be guiding you what to do differently to stand out in the college and not being this average and escaping from everything. So I'm your Sahu signing in and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure subscribe to this channel and hit a like to this video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The biggest mistake is I thought college is only about marks, but college is actually a playground where you can discover yourself. You can try things, you can fail easily, fail fast, and learn fast. Don't just attend lectures, attend your life. Every student says, I will figure it out after college, but those who figured it out during college means early. Spending 1 to 2 hours daily learning one skill, design, editing, content writing, UI UX, marketing, anything that gives you power to create. Because your degree might get you an interview, but your skill will help you to build your own personal brand. The earlier you start showing your work, the faster people notice you. Don't wait to be perfect. Start documenting your journey, share what you have learned, what you failed at, and what you are building. That's how you create your personal brand, by being authentic. Because in 2025, attention is a new degree. Most people stay average because they hang out with the average energy. Join communities, events, online groups where you will be finding people like you, where you will be finding like-minded people like you. So if you are being in this kind of environment, you will be feeling like you will be pushed and you will be seeing improvement in yourself. So be in such kind of groups and communities where you will be getting some opportunities. Don't miss that opportunity and don't feel it regret. Just give a try and see if everything goes fine. You will be getting something in it, but don't be in the phase where if I try also we will be getting nothing comes for me. And don't be in that kind of phase, because I have lost many things as that. From past 2 years I'm trying everything, I'm giving my single piece of shit to the contest and all such kind of things, so that is helping me a lot. And in such kind of way I'm getting to know many people and I'm getting to interact with many people where we will be having the same kind of people who are interested in kind of photography and these kind of marketing agencies. So that's how the things happen. Every time you scroll for an hour, remember you are helping others to grow, not yourself. Flip the game. If you consume 1 hour, create 1 hour. Post the idea, create reel, make the script and edit it and post it on social media. Even it is imperfect, like my content. So yeah, I'm just kidding, but I'm still imperfect in making of content. If you are imperfect, you can able to learn and you can turn that imperfection into perfection by creating many such kind of reels and which you are interested in. These kind of reels can help you to build your own personal brand. I am also trying to build my own personal brand as this by giving you some of the tips which can help you in your real life and which can able to shape me as well as my thoughts and your thoughts. So if you don't want it to be in this average lifestyle where everyone are living, so first you don't need to figure it out, everything to be sorted out and figured out to be clean and perfect. You just need to start. One small action every day, one post, one reel, one book,
one brave decision that will help you to escape this average rat race. And years later, when you look back and see the college days are that perfect what you dreamed of. It's not about daily scrolling and having that fun in the canteen with the friends. Don't waste your time in the canteens and such kind of things. Go to your hostel or to your home and start preparing for yourself. Don't waste it for others. Yeah, you need to have that time too, but it's up to a certain limit. Not totally wasting that time and having lots of fun. If you are having fun in this certain age, you will be facing something danger in the future. If I was a college student again, I would stop waiting for the permission. I would take small actions daily. Learn, post, connect, repeat. Because once you graduate, life doesn't reward marks, it rewards momentum. You already have everything you needed. Time, internet and potential. Use it to escape the average and this rat race and build your own story. Because no one is coming to save you. And years later, when you look back and see, and you will thank yourself and feel proud of you because you didn't waste your time in your college days. You create, you learn and you grow. So don't just dream for success, work for it. So that's all for the today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are interested in these kind of things like personal branding, your identity and shaping your mindset, so Shejathwa is the channel where you belongs to. So I hope this video is very informative and useful for you. If you feel this informative or else anything, make sure subscribe to our channel and hit a like to this video. So let's meet in another video guys. Until then, bye bye now, signing off.